Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a website in Jimdo, step by step. First, you will choose your Jimdo platform, Dolphin for quick AI-driven sites or Creator for more control. Next, define your website's purpose, whether it is for a small business, a personal portfolio, or an online shop. Then, input some initial details about your project to help the AI begin building your site. This initial setup takes only a few minutes. Now, let's dive into designing your site. You can customize your website's look by choosing from various templates or accepting AI-generated design suggestions. Populate your pages with engaging content, including your own text, high-quality images, and videos. It is crucial to organize your content logically into clear sections and pages, making it easy for visitors to navigate. Remember to maintain a consistent brand identity throughout your entire website. Next, we will enhance your website with powerful features and optimize it for visibility. Integrate essential functionalities such as contact forms, image galleries, and even e-commerce capabilities if you are selling products. Optimize your site for search engines by incorporating relevant keywords and compelling descriptions, helping people find you online. Finally, connect your custom domain name to give your website a professional and memorable address. Jimdo provides many tools to help you succeed. The final steps involve publishing and maintaining your new website. Before going live, meticulously review your entire site to ensure all content is accurate and every link works perfectly. Once satisfied, hit the Publish button to make your website accessible to the world. Remember, website creation is an ongoing process. Regularly update your content, monitor its performance using analytics, and engage with your audience to ensure continued success and relevance. Congratulations on your new Jimdo website.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.